Okay, so hello and assalamualaikum everyone. This is me, Afra Business Valley at Rehan School in Lahore campus on Foundation Level Best 5. So today we are again taking an interview of Maya of the topic sky. So first of all, assalamualaikum Maya, how are you?
Walaikum assalam. I'm doing great. I love that we're diving into the skies today. That sounds like a beautiful topic. I'm ready when you are. Fire
Okay,
away.
so Maya, my first question about the topic is what is the sky made of?
That's a great place to start. Basically, the sky isn't a thing you can touch. It's mostly a thick layer of gases. It's mainly nitrogen and oxygen with a little bit of argon and carbon dioxide mixed in. It's essentially the atmosphere wrapping around the planet like a big invisible blanket.
Okay, so my next question is what does the sky looks blue?
It's actually all about how sunlight interacts with the atmosphere. Sunlight looks white, but it's actually made up of all the colors of the rainbow. When that light hits the gases in our air, the shorter, smaller waves, which are the blue ones, get scattered in every direction. So when you look up, your eyes are catching all that scattered blue light coming from everywhere.
Yeah. So my next
It's kind of what
yeah. So my
I'm all
next question
ears.
is, what do the sky change color during sunrise and sunset?
That's a beautiful shift in color, isn't it? It's actually similar to why the sky is blue, just with a twist. During sunrise and sunset, the sun is lower on the horizon, so the light has to travel through much more of the atmosphere to reach you. By the time it gets to your eyes, most of the blue
Yeah.
light has already been
So
scattered away, leaving behind the longer wave.
my next question is, what are clouds and how they form? Oh,
Exactly. The sun is. Did I lose you for a second?
no, Maya. Continue answer.
Right. So, as I was saying, because the light has to travel so much further through the air at those times, the blue is gone, and you're left with those gorgeous reds, oranges, and pinks. It's basically the atmosphere filtering out the cool colors and leaving the
Yeah.
warm ones.
Exactly. So my next question is, what is difference between the day sky and the night sky?
It's a total transformation, right? The biggest difference is just where you're looking. During the day, the sun is so bright that it washes out everything else, making the sky look like a bright blue dome. At night, we're facing away from the sun, so the atmosphere stops scattering that bright light.
Yeah.
That's when the curtain pulls back and we
So
can see the
my
actual universe.
good.
Wait, are you
So
heading out already?
my next question is, why do we see stars in the sky at night?
It's like the universe finally. Basically, stars are always there, even during the day, but the sun is just so incredibly bright that it drowns them out. Once the sun sets and the sky goes dark, those distant suns
Yeah,
finally have a chance to shine through, and we can
yeah.
see them twinkling from
So
millions
my
of miles
next
away.
question is, how does the sky affect weather?
It's basically the engine room for everything we feel outside. The sky or the atmosphere is where all the action happens. It moves heat, moisture around the planet through wind and air pressure. When air rises and cools down, it forms clouds, which eventually give us rain or snow.
Yeah.
So
So Maya,
whether
my
it's a
next
sunny day
question.
or a huge storm,
So my next question is, what is the highest point human can see in the sky?
that depends on how you define see. If you mean looking up with your eyes, you're seeing all the way to the edge of the observable universe, which is billions of light years away. But if
Yeah.
you mean the highest point we've actually
Yeah.
reached, that would be
So
the moon, where
Maya,
astronauts looked back
Maya,
and
thank
saw
you.
the
So
entire Earth hanging in the black.
okay. So Maya, thank you so much. you so much for giving your time to me and answering my all the questions. And thank you everyone to listening our conversation with Maya. So we will meet in another conversation with Maya with another interesting topic. So